Hi there, do you find dental materials to be too boring and you want to make it as colorful as the picture behind me? We have an interesting competition for all of you. Dr. Aditi, what do you have?
This festive season, we are bringing you a reel competition, okay? In this, you have to make a 30 to 45 second reel and tag us with that reel, okay?
You have to send it on Instagram. The name of the competition is Reel the Material, and you can tag us on Instagram with your reel, and the best people with making the reel are going to win a cash prize up to 5,000 rupees. There are more prizes to be won. You can check it in the description. What else do we have, Dr. Aditi, in this competition?
We have a special prize for the first entry. And what can be the theme? You can think of different things. You can act like a dental material, or you can create a small poem or act where you can tell how you are struggling with learning dental materials.
The competition is open for all students of BDS, and it is also open for even postgraduate students who are interested in dental materials. So what are you waiting for? Make a reel quickly, tag us on Instagram, and you have a chance to win 5,000 rupees as cash first prize and many other prizes to be won.
So Dr. Neeraj, we are waiting for the exciting entry,
Oh, yes,
right?
absolutely.
Absolutely. Make sure you take part in this competition and reel the dental materials.
So wish you all a very happy festive season. Bye-bye.